Welcome everyone, good morning on this beautiful, beautiful Monday morning or evening for some of you guys. How's it going? Welcome, welcome. Well, new week, new Monday, new opportunities. Everything started all over, all right? But that's why we're here. Okay, good morning Trader G. How's it going? Well, let's see what happened after the Sunday Open. Nothing. Okay, that's it. Nothing to talk about, but really, I think we should talk about a little bit. EMH, hey there. Welcome. So let's talk about a little bit of the higher time frames because it's getting a little bit interesting. And first, let's talk about ES. And this is the 1 hour, sorry, it's the 4 hour ES right now. And if you look to the left on the 4 hour, we do have a little bit of a bearish order block here. You know, guys, I like the order blocks. Trader G, all good. May not be much this morning. Yeah, UK bank holiday, guys. So don't really expect too much movement. But yeah. So on the 4 hour chart, we do have a bearish order block. I like these order blocks because price usually likes to take these out. So the high of this one is at 52.10. Don't worry, guys, we're going to go to NQ. I just want to see what's happening on ES. Also, if I go down to the 1 hour, there is still one more hourly bearish order block here. So that's also interesting. I would like to see that level being taken out at 52.10 area. But let's go to Nasdaq. And what's happening at Nasdaq? Last week, we wrote down here that we have a bearish 5-minute and a 15-minute order block at 18,091. So almost the same scenario on NQ. Let's go down to the 15-minute. Sorry, I'm gonna zoom this out. So let's go back in time and let's go down to the 15-minute. These order blocks are made on the 15th of April. Both of these order blocks can be seen on the 15-minute chart. Price right now gravitating towards these order blocks. I'm definitely bullish because of this. It's 100 point up. Kenny, hey there, good morning from Delaware. So I'm looking for another 100 points up to take out these order blocks. One here and another one here. Oops, sorry. So the low hanging fruit is the lowest order block at 18,000. It starts at 18,093 with the body, but the lowest hanging fruit is at 18,083. So that's my bullish target for NQ. We have 1 hour order blocks too, but it's a little bit higher. I don't think we're gonna go there today, but this is something I'm really looking for. So you have to go back to the 15th of April. Also, if you go down to the 5-minute, I'm not gonna go down now to the 5-minute there, but you will see also order blocks at that level. Okay. If we return here, we have still a fair value gap here that has not been repriced completely. So we do have sell side liquidity at 895.94. And another one on the 15-minute, which is the nearest one. Well, let's see. Yeah, this is from Friday lunch hour. I'm gonna put this here. It's a shame that London is not opening today because it could have seen some good action maybe, but I like these levels. So we do have this sell side liquidity on the 15-minute chart. Fair value gap here, 961. We'll see. Asia lows, well, pretty much been taken out. So I like to stay bullish. If we go down to the 5-minute, structure shift just happened. I like this actually. So let's go down to my entry model here. And I might just gonna put on a probe trade, you know, as my usual probe trades in the morning. This candle might be able to provide that. We do have a possible entry at 99. It's not much, just 5 points. You know, it could be all right. So if I would put a buy limit, oh, state error. I love this. Guys, I have to restart Quant Tower. I have to restart Quant Tower. That's the beauty of rhythmic connection. All right. Application is already running. What the heck? There's an issue here. All right. Close Quant Tower. No, that's not it. All right, let's restart Quant Tower once more. Tricked me once more. But anyway, we do have a possible entry at 99 if it reprices right now into this level. Unfortunately, I think I'm gonna miss this entry. And Camille, hey there, good morning. No, good morning. Ricardo, what time is the Asia session start and finish? Well, Asia session, hold on. I have to set up something. Yeah. Sorry, just wanted to check something real quick with my Quant Tower. So Asia session usually starts around 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Not really trading it, and what the hell? Something is wrong with my Quant Tower. Why is it not responding? Okay, now it's responding. Morning, Mihails. So 8 p.m. EST until, well, I would say the kill zone is right around 1 or 2 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, right? Till the next day. So that's usually the kill zone for the Asia session. I never traded Asia session, never will, but I know many of you guys are trading it. So this was my entry. Could have been my entry actually. All right, now it's working. Nice. Now it's working. Trev, good morning. I'm gonna delete this marker here. Just wanted to see if this one is still valid. Let's put a limit order there. Not sure if it's gonna be turning out good. 99, it's a tight stop. I'm gonna go with it. Yeah. All right. Just for the fun. The usual morning probe trade, but it's working. All right, because I had an error putting on trades. All right. How is everybody doing? Don't expect any action on this London session today. The market is closed. I mean, it will be closed. So, no market open. Okay. I closed it. I wanted to check if Quant Tower is working, but it's working. All right, let me go to my other account. All right, it's working. It's fine. No problem. There was an issue placing orders on my Quant Tower, but now it's resolved. Yeah, it's holiday. Oh, thank you, Trev. You get it. All right. Well, I just felt like I want to write it down because I went back in my trading journal to the last few months, and I was reading back what I was writing down those days when I was making more losses. And I checked some of the trades, well, actually many of the trades that ended up in a loss. And, you know, most of them, actually 90% of them, I could have prevented by just not trading, by just not continuing to trade, or not even trading. I mean, not even taking that specific trade. It was revenge trading, human error. It was not about the edge or the market or whatever, and it was sad to to read all about it because, yeah. Sony, oh well, I would like to see longs as well for the Asia highs. The Asia highs would be the Sunday high. Well, it's not Asia high technically, but you know, the Sunday high is up there at 63. Why not? And Asia highs in this matter would be at 15. So good 10 points, healthy 10 points. If any one of you guys have entered on this gap here, I entered too, but I closed it because my account was acting out weird. One tower actually. But I might take it again. I don't know. With a very tight stop. If you enter here, well, maybe let's go to the 30-second because I took it on my 30-second chart. Yeah, my original entry should have been at 99.50, but now the train has left the station. I would say a good target would be 18,015. But don't forget it, we have a lack of volume later. No London open, so Marco, good morning. I said brackets and don't move them to manage emotions. Set it, forget it. As far as losses, zero loss limit period. Lastly, it's hard to manage emotions. Yeah. Streaming puts a little bit extra pressure, but you know, I have to deal with it. That's it. That's it. Now the thing I wanted to show here is that originally this would have been my entry here. This area down there. I'm not sure if it's gonna go down again. Actually, not even there. There. If it's gonna go down again to that place, but it was a pretty good entry. Adding that, we are in absolutely a slow market today. Might not even going to do any trading. We'll see if some volume is picking up. Let's see. Frankfurt is open. So let's see how the stock markets are opening up. Current time A15 closes. EuroX is open. Okay. Zurich is open. No, it opens at 10. Frankfurt is open. I don't know if that's going to be enough volume for the day, for the session, actually. Do you mind me asking, why did you think that was a good entry? Yes, sorry, no, yeah, absolutely. Yeah, sure, Jessica, absolutely. So, why this was a good entry, I'm going to show you. This is just my own analysis, and of course, you can have, everybody can have their own. So I would consider this after the Asia Open is, the Asia Open is at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So I would say that the Asia high, this is the 5-minute Nasdaq. The Asia high is somewhere here at 14.75, all right? Now earlier, before the 2 a.m. kill zone, price went down, took the liquidity here, also swept liquidity here. So actually almost 3 times. 1, 2, 3 times it's swept liquidity right here. Okay, so the liquidity sweep was done, and now the official. Let me go back to my 30-second time frame. So we are officially in the London kill zone, quote unquote kill zone. So what we've seen after all this liquidity has been swept down here, we have the 14 level up there, which I showed you just before, 14.50. I think that's what it was, which is the Asia high. So when I saw this was actually a market structure shift, right? This candle, this is the 30-second chart, guys. This is not the 1 minute. This is the 30-second Nasdaq, micro Nasdaq. So this candle here at 2:04 Eastern Standard Time, 2:0400, shifted structure up here. Actually 2 times but shifted structure, but let's go with this. Oh man, how can I? Anyway, I hate when I'm not able to. Anyway, so there was a market structure. I don't know why it's not straight line. Point 1, point B is the same. What the hell? Oh, no, it's okay. So this was the market structure shift here. With this candle, left a fair value gap here. Beautiful fair value gap. We have our drawn liquidity, which is up there. Went back lower, repriced this gap. So this could have been a good entry. I unfortunately I wanted to be in this trade, but I'm not in this trade. I took it, but I closed it because my quant hour was messing up. So I made $1 or something on this one, but this was an entry. Stop loss below around 95, tight stop. And if you want, you can hold it all the way until 14.50. Or you can go for the whole number of 10, taking profit at 9.50, for example. So this was my thought process on this. Liquidity sweep, shift, displacement, fair value gap, drawn liquidity, boom. Sorry, and there you go. Asia, 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Zoltan, good morning. Dark Cloud, good morning. Good to see you guys. So yeah, Jessica, this is actually this was for everyone else who's just checking what the hell am I drawing here. This was my thought process on this trade. Not it is not such a steep move. As you see, it's slowly going up the stairs, could be even going down again. So that's why I said there you go, there's not enough volume still, and we are not going to have enough volume, I'm afraid, in this session. Well, now there's not going to be London Open. Tom has a blue cup, blue candle going up. Actually, yeah, that's true. Should be going up, right? I think it will. I think it has to. Yeah, they have holiday. So no London Open. Although, you know, who knows, maybe some institutions might be kicking in the door with some buying and selling, who knows. But I mean, it's only London that's closed. I wonder what kind of percentage does London makes or provides in terms of liquidity in the European market. So we're talking about the German stock exchange, or there's Switzerland, there's some others, you know, some other countries. So there are quite some other countries in Europe, and I'm not an expert in this, but I think still without London there should be some movements. I mean, Frankfurt is open since 2 a.m. but I don't know. Yeah, the algorithm should be doing its job. It's just going to be a little bit slower, maybe, as usual. By the way, guys, the giveaway is still going. We're going to do the winner pick tomorrow or on Wednesday. So if you haven't subscribed to the giveaway form, you can find it in the pinned message up there. Very easy, name, email, and the winner is going to receive an email too. If you're not here on the live stream, don't worry. If you win, you will receive an email from me, and it's going to be a 50K evaluation account in the price range of 50 to 60 or 70 US dollar. We'll check which prop firm can give a good offer, and we're going to do the winner pick. All right, so go check it out. It's in the pin message up there. And after we did the giveaway, I'm going to restart the application. Okay, so there's going to be new giveaways coming up. So stay tuned. But if you want to participate in the new giveaways, then you have to apply again. That's how it works. Gold is winning. Done for the night? All right. Sounds like play a crypto. Let's see what's happening with gold. Oh yeah, look at that. It's making the move. Slow and steady wins the race here. Gold is taking the stairs and moving, but it takes some nice moves. All right. Weave up is up here. I never trade the weave up. I just see it. I mean, I acknowledge it that it's there, but I never trade the weave up. That's it. I don't really care about the weave up all that much. I know maybe I should. A lot of traders care about it. I don't. So, but I see it. Erkan, good morning. Guys, by the way, if you could support the stream, please push the like button if you can. Push that like, smash it, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Thank you so much. Weave up is very important. Sorry, Erkan, sorry. Yes. I know the weave up is important. That's why I have it on, because the market is watching it. So VWAPs usually provide good rejection points or good targets, or, you know, supports, resistance areas. Also, BULENOX had the flash sale last week for 2 days. Now it's down to 83%, but as far as I know, it's for lifetime. So someone can confirm it if you guys are buying it. It should be, maybe I'm gonna stack 1 or 2 as well. It's 83% lifetime subscription from the option 1 accounts only. If you want to grab that, Apex does the 80%, which is awesome. We do love Apex. It's OG. And of course, buy funded futures still doing a good promotion. I mean, the good promotion, what can I say? Better to go with an expert account in this case, but still the starter is a good deal. Expert account, including the activation fee. Go for it, guys. Still the best deal if you can manage to pass the account in 30 days. That's the cheapest one still. We love Apex, yeah. Apex is, I mean, I said it many times. I already have a promotion code with Trade Day, no activation fees, down there in the description somewhere, and Take Profit Trader 40% off if you guys want to go with it. I'm gonna go with them as an extra evaluation. And but still, the top ones are up there. Look at this, just as we were talking about it, we are going for that 14, actually it's 1475. I thought that it's 14.50. Let's go for 1475. All right, I wish I was I wish I would be in this trade. Good 10 points with no volume, I take it any day. And now there's a little bit of FOMO, but at least, you know, the thing that the analysis was correct, that's a good thing. Should be spiking through 14.75. Should be. Do I have any orders? No, I don't. All right. Always check orders. It was funny to see a difference of perspective regarding how many points justify sniping. I personally believe sniping is done in ticks and trading is done in points. 8 ticks is 2 points, but that's how it. Oh yeah. So yeah, yeah, it's you absolutely have a point there, Trev, because for many people, sniping or scalping is for a few ticks, and you know, it's not just my funded futures, but others don't really like sometime too, and I'm a little bit afraid of that, but I'm not doing that kind of trading. If you're going for just a few ticks, like 4, 5, 6 ticks, then on a funded account, most of these prop firms don't really like when traders do that. Although I see that a lot of traders who are online and in social media do that, which is absolutely not a problem. Yeah, I mean, everybody has a different perspective of which one is which. Does the other bands on Viva worth having on? I don't know, Sony, because I never traded actively with VWAP, so I have no idea. All I've seen is that other traders are mostly using the middle one, so the main line. And the bands, I haven't really seen anyone using the bands on the VWAP. So I don't know. The second deviation works very well. There you go, Erkan knows. Do not underestimate 20 PA accounts. You can work like a hedge fund manager. Oh yeah, definitely. I'm not underestimating it by any means. Absolutely not. Absolutely not. All right. Yeah, no problem. We come to swing and bang. Yes. So after this move, hopefully it will take that Asia high. if that has been done, well, honestly, we just have to wait a little bit more. Because what can we do? It's going up to 14. Maybe it goes up right now. I would expect it to go higher, but maybe not in this London session. Fortunately, New York is going to be full throttle today. Nothing major news-wise. We have Spanish services. So we have some PMI numbers during the silver bullet hour, guys. So some PMI numbers can maybe push the market somewhere. I don't know. Exactly, Erkan, exactly. 20 PA accounts is a marathon. And I'm starting to feel that because now that I have more funded accounts, I see that I'm definitely not, I don't want to trade all the funded accounts at a time, so trying to micromanage all of them. TJ, yo, good to see you. How's it going, TJ? Mitch, how's it going? Everything is fine, everything is fine. We were analyzing a trade here earlier, and I took this one, but my quant hour was messed up, so I closed it. And I also had to restart quant tower anyway. So I missed this trade. I do feel some FOMO, but we were talking about this 8014 as the Asia high that should be taken. What you see right here is the 30-second Nasdaq micro. Asia sweep happened earlier before the kill zone around 1:30-ish Eastern Standard Time. Displacement happened after the kill zone started. Nice fair value gap, market structure shift, clean target up there, Asia highs. So it took off slowly. I mean, not that super fast, but you know, it's grinding up there. Good morning, Mary. Everyone, happy Monday. Exactly, happy Monday to everyone. We're gonna have an awesome week, guys. Whatever happens, this is gonna be a great week. Yeah, this was actually a very nice setup, and I do feel the FOMO. On the other account here, you guys see it? Hold on. Trades. Oh, there you go. And we have the profit. Nice. So took the Asia high just as we talked about. Look at this. This is what happened to me. Here I entered to the trade. It was a late entry, but anyway, I entered the trade. My quant hour was losing connection. I had to restart, and I exited the trade. So I do feel some FOMO, but hey, eventually it turned out good. So this was a nice trade. Well, should have been, but if some of you guys took it or went for the Asia high, this was a nice one. This was a nice one. This was a good one. Since the last few days we were so bullish, do you think we will be bearish for Monday before heading up? Well, let's see the higher time frame for that. I want to see. I mean, the short answer is no. The reason I talked about this a little bit earlier. If this is the 1 hour time frame on Nasdaq, if we go to the left, sorry, let me go down to the 15 minutes. Sorry. So 15-minute time frame. If we go to the left, we talked about this earlier weeks ago. Go to April 15 on the 15-minute time frame. You will also see it on the 5-minute too. You see, I wrote it here: bearish order block 5-minute and 15-minute. First order block as the low-hanging fruit starts at 91. The wick starts at 83. You guys know, and everybody trades differently. The way I see, hello Teacher FX, hi there. The way I see the order blocks is these are targets. These are areas that price likes to revisit at a certain point in time in the future. So these were textbook order blocks. This is a textbook. I mean, it's a beautiful. It doesn't get any better than this, especially this one, since it made the displacement lower and it made a poke into liquidity and went low. So this one here, this is the beautiful textbook order block. Nothing better than this. And it's at 18,083, the wick. I like the bodies of the candles, so I go with the 91.75 level. But you can go with the wick. That's even lower hanging fruit. So I'm bullish for the day. And this is why I'm bullish. We're getting closer to these order blocks to being repriced. And we have another order block up here. And if we go higher, we have more order blocks up there. We're not going to go there now because I'm sure that we're not going to, well, never say never, but I don't think that we're going to do 300-400 points today. Okay. But these order blocks, this level is my absolute go-to level today. All right. That's why I want to see some bullish movement. We're not too far. Let me show you. This is still the 15-minute chart. Sunday high is at 63. I thought that after the market opened, we're gonna immediately go into that order block. It failed. Went down, hovered around in this Asia session, and hopefully, if we are bullish, and I'm staying bullish for now, it could be pulling back in a certain time, but this is the target. The bearish 5-minute / 15-minute order block up there. Okay. For Nasdaq, it's possible. In London, maybe not. We're still like 70-something points down from that target, but in the New York session, I think we have every chance to go for it. And if I go down, oh yeah, we have some speech today. I didn't know that. Oh yeah. Oh, that guy barking. You guys remember what happened when that guy was speaking last time? Market dropped like 300 points instantly. So yeah, that guy. The same guy that barking, he was talking and the market dropped like 300 points. I think this time the other members, and he's not even a voting member, I checked it. This Barkin, I don't know the details, but he doesn't even have a vote in the Fed. So anyway, I think this time the other ones told him that, hey man, listen, last time you opened your mouth and the whole market was, crashing. So this time, maybe talk about the weather or something, whatever, so could be expecting nothing. Yeah, so I think this is just a personal fun. Oh, barking, yeah. I think the other ones told him that, listen, man, why don't you get some coffee or a donut or something, go out and talk about the weather or whatever, talk about something neutral. But please don't talk about inflation, and the GDP and stuff like that, because that's not your stuff. That's not your business. We gave you a new office back there since then, to do some, use the fax machine or whatever you do there. But please, you work in our building, but don't talk about, inflation, because, you're not in the inner circle. and I think this is, I mean, I read some comments on some websites that not every Fed member was happy last time this guy was talking. So, maybe this time, he's going to be a little bit more discreet. So anyway, we have the targets up there. This is the 1 minute chart. Took out Asia high. What a name. Yeah. And so we could see slow grinding up there. And this could be happening until New York. And then maybe, who knows? This is something I'm looking. Maybe he's the real deal, who knows? Maybe he's the one controlling Powell. We don't know that. So I'm looking for some possible targets, guys, and there is nothing. I think this was the move. I'm trying to look at the mini. Hold on. The mini for some kind of a displacement or whatever. Now there's an interesting thing on the 15-minute. This is not the micro, this is the mini. And the 15-minute time frame, we have a small unbalanced price range at 18,000. I don't think it's anything special. It has been repriced on the micro. Anyway, on the 15-minute, there is one more fair value gap up there. At 27.75, so 7 points away. I do like that level because I like the 15-minute levels. I think they are still significant in a way. 27.75. The 5 minutes for me is not that important, but the 15-minute is something I like. Maybe we can go into 27. So no problem. You're welcome. 18.28. Yeah, is a target. Yeah, good target. Absolutely a good target. 27.75. I'm gonna put a line there. 27.75. This is the 30-second time frame. A little bit interesting, but I have no entry here. We have a very, very tiny gap here. Could be entering there. All right, I did. Entered on a market order on this gap. Don't do what I do. A little bit of a test here. Looking for the 27. So I'm in this trade. Trying to figure out where can we go. If I put my target up there, stop. I'm gonna put my stop down there at 7.050. Yeah, it's fine. Okay, so it's somewhere around the 1-to-1 risk to reward. I'm targeting the 15-minute gap up there. As you see, I left a little bit of room for it to move around. You know, we don't know. We don't know. Mitch, I'm in a short. You're in a short? Okay. Well, let's see what happens here. I'm just looking for a possible liquidity sweep or whatever. Oh yeah, let me put a fair value gap here. As a continuation. I might going to lower my TP. Actually, my stop loss is a little bit down there. It's too much. If we, I'm gonna do this differently than usual. If we break above 21, I'm just going to sell. I'm gonna sell 3 contracts at 75. How about that? And but I have to delete this now. Oh no. I have to. Okay. 5 stop up there, and I'm gonna put, you know, the final 2 as a runner. I'm gonna put it there. I'm gonna play it differently this time because this is a lower probability setup. So lower probability setup, guys. That's why I'm taking it off. Okay. Took off 2. I'm gonna modify this to I have 2. Okay, I'm gonna modify this here, and you know what? I'm gonna put it to break even. All right, 16.50. Okay, it's a break even, guys. What can go wrong, right? Bookback says 27.50. Yeah, there's gonna be profit taking for sure before that, so that's why I always go lower before the profit taking. But yeah, I mean, yeah, Josef is asking, did I caught this long? Actually, this long I entered down here and my quant hour was messing up, so I had to close it. And by the time I restarted everything, and you know, it was already here. I entered here at the beginning of the stream. I took the market entry to target the 16, and now if I would have taken this trade earlier, I would not have taken this second trade because this is a lower probability trade. So the probabilities for this one to go into that is lower. And that's why I took 3 contracts off. And if it takes me out, I don't care, because I missed my chance. But yeah, it was that should have been a good one. This one was just a minor pullback where I entered. And this is going to be the perfect example why I usually don't like to take put my trades to break even. Because this is going to put me out at break even, most likely. Chances are super high. Yeah, I wouldn't. Yeah, Josef says he wouldn't go short after a run like this. Well, it's you have to measure. Stopped out, small loss. Yeah, it happens. I'm gonna be stopped out here at break even. So no, this is a long. This is a long. I'm at break even as well. So consolidation in the left Asia session. Yeah. Most likely it's gonna take me out at break even. So liquidity is at 27.75 at the 15-minute fair value gap. That could be a good target, but yeah, at least I took some off, you know. That's a good thing. I got a question. Do I still need to pay if I pass the expert account? No. You just have to pay. I mean, no. Expert account, no. If you pass the expert account, you don't have to pay anything more. Okay, we got out break even. So nothing more. Sorry, yeah, expert account. On the starter, you have to pay activation fee, but the expert account, nothing. Nothing. If you pass the expert account, it's going to be automatically activated for you because the price includes the activation. So that's why I say if you know you have some skills, then the expert account is definitely a good choice to go. I want to do a video about comparing classic Forex prop firms with my funded futures expert account. Mostly because of the price and how much you're spending or anyone is spending on Forex. I'm not saying Forex prop firms are bad. I'm just trying to compare. Are you on a different chart? I can't see who you're talking to. No, this is just a 30-second micro. We're still on the same chart. This is trading view, and the other one was quant hour 30-second. But the liquidity that we were talking about, 18,027, is still there. Yeah. Do you know which prop firms trade futures in Africa? I didn't read there. Got you. Oh yeah. Well, you know, you have to check them in person because some prop firms have restricted countries, including Africa, or but before you start with them, just ask their support, I would suggest. All right, guys, if you could. TOPSTEP just removed several countries. Oh, really? Let me check it. Guys, please push the like button if you could support the stream. Push those likes, subscribe to the channel, and push this stream to the highs. Let's see. TOPSTEP. Restricted countries. Countries that are ineligible to trade with TOPSTEP. Well, some of the usual countries, yes. I don't really understand South Africa, for example, because anyway, the banking system should be getting better there. Anyway, Apex removed Egypt. That's interesting. Why would they remove Egypt? You just subscribed? Thank you, Alisa. Really? I didn't know that TOPSTEP just put on. Just banned South Africa. On TOPSTEP, I passed their 50k combine just to be told that South Africa is not eligible anymore. Man, Vivian, sorry to hear that. I'll be going to Nigeria in 3 weeks, and I checked and it was removed. Oh, man. Yeah, war in Jerusalem. Yeah, because of the war. Sorry about that, guys. Yeah, check out Take Profit Trader or Trade Day. I also have coupon code for those. If you wanna jump in there, activation fee is still, I mean, no activation at Take Profit Trader and Trade Day. Yeah, check it out. There's a link somewhere down. You can go for it. And I don't know, Jack. That's a good question. I don't know why they're removing South Africa. I think South Africa has solid banking system. Economically, it's, you know, nothing bad per se, but big institutions, banks are there as well. I don't know why they do that. Yes, I trade New York too. Yeah, I'm trading New York session too. I think we're still gonna visit that 27 area, guys. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, you guys can scalp for a few points to reach that buy side at 27, which is actually the 15-minute fair value gap. $18,000. I think it's well, I don't see the 18,000. I mean, it's support. Yes, it's a strong support and it's a good number. It's a whole number. These big whole numbers are always strong support and resistances. My main target, as I said, is up there at 18,091 or 83 with the wick on the 15-minute order block. That's what I'm focusing on. So actually, I have a high chance to see that this 15-minute fair value gap will be taken, but don't jump in because of that, because, you know, this can also happen. You know, it happens and then it takes it out. I saw this many times before. You know, I was so close to the gap, I jumped in everywhere and did this, and then eventually took it out. So yeah, it could be a double top too. Be careful. Careful, everyone. Exactly, Theology. That's a good information. If you bought it before, just don't cancel it. Something, yeah. I think if you already have an account before you bought it before these issues, then it's very risky. Yes. So if I would be buying in here for those 7 points, can easily dump like 20-30 points super easy, and still after it will go up. ICT Silver Bullet from 3 a.m. Yeah, guys, I have to drink a tea because I got a little bit ill this weekend. I got a sore throat, and I wasn't I wasn't really feeling too good yesterday. I took some pills, some medicine, but not that kind. But I still have to drink some warm honey. I mean warm tea with honey. You know, it's good for my throat. I'll be right back in 1 minute. All right. Let me just get a tea. Push the like button, subscribe, and I'll be right back. Okay, so this was the thing that I was talking about. Yeah, we could be going back up on the 1 minute beautiful equal highs and also on the 30-second as well. Took out my stop there. But at least I closed some. Well, let's see what happens. This could have been still good for a scalp position to go long, but I wanted to see a displacement again. Yeah, hey Alicia, yes, yes I do. Every day. London and New York session too. Let's see. It's still good for a few point scalp, but then has to provide the displacement real quick. That is not gonna happen. So remember, we had no London open. Everything is going just as before the market open or London open. Frankfurt is open and some other countries, but I'm not sure they are doing too much with the volume. We have some news. The next news is Spanish services PMI and then Italian services French PMI. So the silver bullet hour could provide some entries, but we'll see. Maybe quick short to 04, struggling a bit. Could be going short. You had a displacement here. If someone is going short, you guys had a fair value gap here to go short on the 30 seconds. Sorry, only on the 30 second, not on the 1 minute. But I still think that we should be touching that 27 area. 15-minute BC currently holding, which also displayed through Asia high. Took some scalp. My panties. And exited. Okay. Okay. All right. Well, it's normal, you know. It's part of trading. It's part of trading. RSI 71 on 5-minute chart. Haven't checked it, but I have this stochastic on. Oh yeah. Hard to say. What about ES? I know we left ES alone pretty much all morning, but if I look at it, you know, gun to my head, I would say it's gonna go bullish as well. You have some liquidity void at 65, so could be pulling NQ a little bit higher. I would assume visiting should be fine as long as the original transaction was country, not the US listed banned countries. Oh yeah, you were asking a question. I didn't see that. Sorry. What if you're a funded trader in the United States and visit South Africa? It's based on your nationality. At least at my funded future, someone was asking almost the same question, and it's based on your nationality. So I guess they do the same on any of these prop firms. If South Africa is banned, then no matter where you are, the only chance for you to trade is it maybe if you have a second nationality, maybe ID. Yeah. They are going to check your ID. They don't really care about, I mean, actually there are some prop firms who care about where you bank, but still they care about your ID, your nationality, and that's it. Yes, exactly. There you go. Trev said it perfectly. You need an ID from an approved country. It's not going to work without that. Actually, I'm also doing some transition to my small company, because last year I was trading through personal accounts, and I formed a small company here. Just a very simple thing to optimize a little bit my tax, and you know, these prop firms are not so lenient to change my data to a company, but it's still in the progress because I have funded accounts. I also have my links. Anyway, that's complicated. There you go. So maybe it's not even just from the prop firms. Maybe it's from the regulated providers. So it may not be coming from directly from the prop firms, because the CFTC requires the brokerage firms or the platform, the data providers, to ban certain countries. So the prop firms don't really have any other choice, right? They check IP. Wow. Yeah, Peter, absolutely. So it's not specifically because TOPSTEP wants to get rid of South African clients. You know, from their point of view, they're just losing potential paying clients. You know, they don't want that. It's from regulations. It's because of regulatory compliance. Yeah, it's because of the regulations, most likely CFTC. Oh, look at that. Okay, should be getting through. The number is not even out yet. Yeah, no volume. You know, I'm not against, for example, shorts. So I might look for a short entry, but only if I have a valid setup. Should be breaking into that 27.75. Yeah, there you go. Okay. Okay, so the 15-minute gap has been reached. Actually, this session so far from the kill zone from 2 a.m. actually provided everything that we were expecting, right? Everything that we were expecting of. Whatever, I can talk. So, can you enter long now? I wouldn't enter long here. That's for sure. I would not enter long here. It's too high to go long and it's too high to go short. So this is typically the area where if we would be in New York, then but still no. I would not do anything here. For now, what I'm going to be looking for is might be a possible short to get down to 16 or maybe even lower. Oh, better. Yeah, 15.75. There's a fair value gap. How about there's a small reversal here, retesting the 15.75. That's good for a scalp as well, but nothing special. Yeah, it's not my trade, that's why. Even if I know. You don't know? Yeah. Did you frame out the market? Did you have entry exit zones for the trades? Was the risk reward acceptable? How many trades did you miss? What trades are in the future? Wow, a lot of questions. Are you asking me, Trev? Or what are you replying to RPG? I did everything what you asked there. I mean, I analyzed my possibilities, targets and everything. Let's look at this. The low here is 25. It's 25. Okay. So 15.75 could be a nice short target, but I'm not entering. Yeah, it's the minus. Yeah, like a fake up. Yeah, want to see microstructure. Yeah, I mean, getting a shift would be nice, but still, even if we get a shift, where can this go? You know, we have the 18,000 level as a good retest, good area to go for. We have levels at 18,008 or below that, sorry. And we definitely have some good targets down there. So this is trading, guys. This is the waiting game. Oh, you guys didn't see my balance. Okay. All right. So I made today $1, which is awesome. That was a trap. Oh, no problem. Yeah, you're welcome, Hello Teacher FX. You're welcome. I mean, I was just thinking to write it out for myself, and that's what I did there. Absolutely, Olisha. So when I was a kid, I was fishing. I mean, it's interesting because I never really liked fishing that much. So I went fishing when I was 12 years old, or 11, 12 years old, and but I never really liked fishing that much. I caught some fish, and sometimes it was raining all day. It was a bad weather, but I was still down there and fishing. And I was just waiting, sitting for 2, 3, 4 hours without anything. And without a catch, actually. And trading, I love trading, but it's even more waiting. Gaurav, good to see you. How was your weekend? You finished with the day. Oh, I wish I could be in your time zone right now. Guys, I have a task to do today or tomorrow. It's a very sad thing, but you know, I have a sad thing to do, and it could be today. I don't know, but the my fiance's father, he's a very nice guy. He's a very, very dear person, and they have a very old dog, and they had 3 dogs, and 2 of those dogs already passed away. And the 3rd doggy is very old, very, very old. And he said he just can't do it. He can't be there when the vet comes and put him to sleep. So he asked me to do it for him, to be with the dog at his final moments. So I said, all right, sure, I'm gonna do that. This very old doggy, very, very, very old, can't even walk anymore. He's just laying there. So I think it's gonna be done today. That's why I wish it would be at the end of the day by now. Yeah, look at what is happening. Are we having a structure? It's not a clean structure shift for me. I'm gonna be waiting still. Alicia, I'm from Hungary. It's you know, capital is Budapest. Yeah, always difficult. Yeah, I mean, I'm just helping out my father-in-law, future father-in-law. He can't take it anymore. He's 70 years old, and we had to put down. I mean, not we, but the vet had to already put down 2 of his dogs, and he can't take it anymore. And I said, don't worry, I will take care of it. All the dogs. That's the problem with pets. That sooner or later this time will come. In a quick short, targeting 807. Yeah, good targets down there. Also some unbalanced price range. So yeah, it's not bad actually. Not bad. Actually, if this would go higher to 20, maybe that could be interesting to 20, 23, 20, 22. Oh, look at that. Wow. What is going on? Yeah, they get old. Look at this move. Look at this move. Displacement as well. What is happening on the mini? On the 1 minute, nothing special. We have a nice target at 7, so that's a real good target. But we have a liquidity void at 17. Is it going to reprice it now? I do like the 7 as a target, but I'm not sure if I want to be in a short. Yeah, Daniel, it's gut wrenching. Yeah. Won't hold. Maybe down 18, but back up after. Could be. This liquidity void on the 30-second is interesting. Let me check the 1 minute. Okay. It's not repricing yet, but I'm looking for targets, possible targets. There is a gap below 7 on the 5 minute, also on the 15 minute, below 8 actually. If it goes below 8 before retracing, then I'm not interested. If it goes up here to 17, then I might be interested. Okay, so I put a limit sell. If it wants to reprice this void up there, and 17 would give me at least a 1-to-1 trade down to, well, not a 1-to-1, but you know, this is just a limit order, nothing special. What's the problem with my camera? Camera is not holding. It's gonna fall down. I'm happy that you guys don't see what's on my desk right now. It's a total mess. It has food, it has literally garbage and everything. I have to clean my desk. Oh wait. I don't really like it anymore. Yeah, it's going down. All right, I'm deleting my limit order. It's not my trade. There it goes. 1 minute. Going down to the 18,000 maybe. Didn't reprice. And out. Plus 370. One account. Nice. Nice. Congratulations. I think you deserve an applause. Congratulations. Hey there, Peter. Yeah, interesting, right? Awesome. So, what if this was just a fake move here? And what if the real move is going to be down below the 18,000, down below 83,983? How about that? New scenarios are on the horizon, guys. By the way, if I want to be absolutely, how should I say, strict with my entry model, well, it wasn't there. It was the same. The high was 15 and the high was still 15, so no, because this could have been another short entry, but it didn't happen. Now is the fib 0.5? Could be. You're welcome now. From 130? Oh, I see. I see. Yeah. Yeah, we're at the 50%. So I'm curious what's gonna happen. Manipulation move has one low up day. Oh, okay. Yeah, maybe. With Quant Tower, what's the problem? On the 1 minute time frame, it deletes my data after 2:32 if I change the time frame and I return to the 1 minute time frame. The problem is only for the 1 minute. There's a setting here, for example, if you go to your, when you select your time frames, if you select it, make sure if the history is selected correctly as well, because maybe your history, the range is on 1 hour or maybe even less. You know, make sure you have enough range selected on your chart, and you know, save it like that, or I don't know, add to the favorites. For example, on the 1 minute I had 3 days of data as a range. On the 5 minute there is 1 month range. On the 30 second, I don't know why it says 1 month, but I usually go with 5 days. And you know, maybe something has to do with that. Hey Demon, we're just wondering. I watched his stream quite a few times, and I don't ever see a trade yet. Which guy are you talking about? Demon, are you talking about me? Sometimes I take trades, not always. I'm mostly just talking here, you know. But sometimes I do take trades. I mean, I took a trade here earlier, took partial here, the rest of it ended, exited break even. I took another trade at the beginning of the stream, but I had to close it with break even. And I always take trades. There is no, almost like, for example, like I take trades at least 9 out of every 10 sessions or streams. I always take a trade. But, you know, I'm not taking too many trades. That's for sure. I give you that. I'm talking too much. I know. I'm talking too much. I'm waiting for my setup, you know. On the 1 hour, if you look at the gap void from Friday, Sunday, the structure is maybe time to go down. The 1 hour liquidity void. Yeah, I mean it's let me check the 1 hour. Let me check the 1 hour chart. So you're saying from Sunday, 1 hour gap from Sunday. Oh yes, true. We do have a 1 hour gap. Yeah, why not? It could be going down. That's what I said, that maybe we repriced everything we could. We took even the 15-minute gap up there. Who knows if the new narrative is going to bring us down. We have some good targets. So yeah, absolutely. That could be a scenario. Now what? I don't know, because it's still not my entry model yet. If I would see another shift up there, then maybe I could target a new high, but I don't have an entry yet, so I'm just waiting. I'm still waiting. Guys, if you haven't subscribed already to the giveaway, there's a pinned message up there. If you fill out the name, email, we're gonna do the winner pick on live stream maybe tomorrow or Wednesday. But don't worry, if you're not here, the winner is still going to get an email. It's going to be a 50K evaluation account, and after that we are restarting the giveaway So make sure if you want to participate in the next one, then you should be subscribing again to participate that. So that's how we do things. So make sure, fill out the form. You can do some tasks on the application, earns you some points, increase your chance to win. All right. Also, if you haven't already, please push the like button. It helps out the stream and helps out my channel. It's free to do. Smash that like if you can do that, please. Also, subscribe to the channel. And we still have some good things like sales going on with TOPSTEP, Apex, BULENOX. BULENOX lifetime 83% if you want it. My funded futures, still the expert account is game changer in the market. I would take that definitely. With the code you can get it for $156, for example a 50k account, which includes the activation fee. Hold on, fighter jets are flying above the house. I'm a Top Gun, guys. So they're flying super loud. These are very loud. I don't know what the hell they're doing, but there's a military air base very close where I live. And the dog is barking too, so. Military air base, and they're sending them down, sending those up every day almost nowadays. Okay, we had a small structure shift here. Well, not really, but repricing this void right now on the 32nd. Not a clear structure shift, I take it back. So no entry for me. Now this could be a structure shift this here. Okay, we still have a gap here. Are we good for a scalp? Now this one can be an entry. Still need a few seconds to confirm. 19. All right, I put a buy limit there. Let's see if this one takes it. So far it's not taking it. Okay. Wait for, I'm definitely, this is my setup right here. This is my setup. I'm just waiting for it to fill. I blew my first ever 3 evals on Apex last week. I was not good week. Yeah, don't worry. It happens to everyone. At least you're through it, and it's behind you, and now you can go forward. At least you can go forward. Definitely. How do they say it? I don't know the English word for it, but anyway, it's done and you're through with that, and now you can focus on real trading. Exactly. Go with micros. Risk small. Bullish IFVG. Oh yeah, yeah, it could be. Which account would you recommend for a first-time prop trader? I have been trading CFDs with my own money, but I want to give it a go. Well, Robert, I would go with end of day trailing account where you can trade micros, and sometimes it's a little bit more expensive. I mean, the cheapest upfront cost is with Apex, but it's intraday trailing. If you can trade real small, like with 1 or 2 or 3 micros, then a very cheap upfront cost is with Apex. Otherwise, I would go with my funded future starter account. If you're brand new, if you register a brand new account, I think you can get a 20 or 30% discount if you use my code. I mean, you don't have to use my code, but if you click through the link and use the code, I think you get, for your very first brand new account, only a one-time discount. For the starter, you can get it for $70, I think. Something like that. And it says end of day trailing. You can trade with micros. As a first time, payout policy is good. Dashboard is very user friendly. So yeah, Apex is the cheapest, definitely. Demon is right. Apex is the cheapest. You just have to deal with the intraday trading drawdown, which is not an issue. I don't care about it because I go for base hits. So Apex is definitely the cheapest. You know, just to dip your toes in the water. All right, I should put on some stop loss, right? This is gonna be a small trade. Hold on. Let's try to scalp it. Risk reward is definitely bad on this one. But this is gonna be a scalp trade. Oh yeah. And it's going against me already. Oh, look at that. Okay, if this is going down now, that's absolutely fine, because I could be expecting some further drop, maybe even below the midnight area, down to 98, below the 18K, that's for sure. But I would need the displacement at 12. Don't follow me, this is a risky trade. Actually, I'm only risking like 40 bucks. Oh yeah, you guys don't see it. This account is on is this one. It's also my funded futures evaluation. I'm not trading funded on Monday, and especially not in the London session, especially not when London is not open. So this is just an evaluation. I did play music on stream. I did play music, but I got a few emails from YouTube that I'm violating the copyright things, because I was playing copyright free music, but I still got email that I violated the copyright. So from that moment on, I said, okay, I'm not playing music if you guys want to listen when I'm listening right now, here it is. I'm gonna put some volume on it. This is what I'm listening. Ambient noise from the Starship Enterprise. I can also show it to you guys. This is what I'm listening right now. Sleepy Enterprise bridge ambience. This is what it helps me. I know it sounds crazy, but it helps me to focus. And now I just lost all the viewers. All right, I'm gonna lower it, and I'm gonna turn it off. Okay. No, you guys gonna go crazy. Do you work at the jobs, or this is my main job? This is my main, and I had a job until April. I have some saved up money as well, and I dedicated myself full time. Beam me up, Scotty. Yeah. But I have to tell you guys again that thank you so much for everyone. I thought you were a military. I did that before, so that's another thing. My OnlyFans. I think some people are gonna really think I did that. Works the poll from midnight, yeah. And I'm selling my top water, you know. I'm still in this trade. I'm surprised. How am I still in this trade? Should have gone by now with this one. And I want to thank again everyone who was using my code in the past few weeks and months for the account. If you guys are would like to buy accounts or try yourself in futures trading, if you use my codes or my links, highly appreciate it. Thank you so much. That helps out paying the bills. So thank you. Until we get to those levels that I will be able to buy my Lamborghini. Actually, beautiful cars, but I'm not a Lambo guy. I told you that. I don't really care about the Lambos. If I see a Lambo on the street, I'm not like, oh my god, it's a Lambo. I mean, I look at it, it's nice, it's beautiful, absolutely. But I'm not like, I see a few other people like, oh my god, it's a Lambo. Yeah, it's a nice car, but that's it. That's my reaction. 100 lot. What the hell? Hold on. Naz is here. Welcome, Naz. Let me give you an applause. Welcome, my friend. Welcome, welcome. And everyone else who just jumped in. What's up? You ready to kick ass? Of course, of course. This is just a probe trade, so never mind. Don't mind about it. Last week I did good actually. I made some profit on the funded accounts. I made very good profits on 3 evaluation accounts. So last week was okay. I'm not going any lower than 30-second time frame for my edge and no trading. Yeah. Exactly. Exactly, nice. So 100 lot, what the hell? You lost 3 PAs. Come on. This week, take it slowly. 100 lot, take it slowly. I love BMWs. I'm a BMW guy, I told you. Yes. You should start reading books. You have a good voice. Oh, thank you. I should be doing cinematic trailer dubs, you know. Like... in a world where people were watching a man, you know, no. In a world where a man was opening up his stream every day and he was talking bullshit. Where the market goes, who knows? Who knows if he's wearing pants or not? Just talking out of his mind. And now, when he's having some losses, he doesn't really care because he's an idiot. Anyway. I don't care. Lamborghini Sky. We just say it's easier to day trade full time with prop accounts or equal sized personal accounts. Prop accounts is much easier. 100 times easier to trade with prop accounts with your own big. I know a lot of people say it otherwise because they say, oh, but with your own money you can do what you want. Trust me, your own money, you just have one bad day, and you're gonna lose it all. Everything. You just need one tilt, and you're gone. And with the prop account, you know, you can restart anytime. That's it. So, all right, everyone. Oh yeah, let's go for a short. And now, our protagonist is looking for a new short opportunity on these charts. He's a crazy man, but who knows what he wants? Nobody can read his mind. And all these people just watching, asking, what the hell is he doing? But in his mind, he knows that he's going to take a revenge on the market. That's what he was waiting for. And actually, you're going to do it right now. This is my trade, guys. I'm only in with 2 micros. So I'm going to add 2 more micros if it goes up into that void. But I just had an entry. And before you throw rocks at me, let me show you why. It was a market order. Right there. Not the perfect entry. I mean, I missed my entry with at least 1 tick, but who cares? And you know what? Stop is up there. 28, and I'm gonna put a limit down there. Yeah, why not? Scalping, you know, I should have entered with like 10 micros, right? Or 1 mini, sorry. Anyway, try American V8s are awesome. I do love American V8 cars. I think it's like they are awesome. I like the Dodge Charger, and I like the Corvettes too. The Viper. I mean, I know it's not a luxury car, but you know, the very first Viper from the 90s. I like that. I'm looking to buy an F90 LCI. Nice. Good one. Good one. All right. Well, I'm back to break even at least. I was scared to enter with bigger trade. I don't know why, because it's just an evaluation account, so who cares, right? I'm trading the New York Open, yes. You got crushed. Oh, should have called it a day. As of this week, no one is allowed to prediction trade in chat, or else you will be warned. I've never banned anyone, and hopefully I won't be banning anyone. I never ban. I don't want to. Good taste. Volkswagen Bug. That's a little bit of a girlish car. It's a nice car for ladies, girls, you know. You can't ban no one. Ford, Dodge. Yeah, I mean, I had a Ford. Right now, I just have a very cheap car. I'm saving up money because my previous car went broke, and I bought another car. My current car is, you guys won't guess it. My current car, I bought it for $1,700. So $1,700. I bought this car. $1,700. because my previous car's engine was mechanically totaled. It was also an old Ford Focus here, and my mechanic said that it's better to get rid of it, you know, just buy another car. So I did. I'm saving for a young and nice car, but right now I just have one to take me from point A to B, and that's it. That's what I'm using it for. But it's good, you know. The engine runs, you know, it has AC, and what else I need? Nothing else. It's comfortable. It's a Mazda. It's a Mazda. How do you say it in America? Mazda. Mazda. Yeah, but it's a good one. NQ don't like it up there. Rejection. Yeah. So this would be a second entry here in this gap, but I don't take it because for me it's a lower probability. The higher probability trade was up here to take out this low, and this one here I'm not entering because we already took out this low. London is not open, so who knows what's it gonna do. We can just, you know, range here. So this was the higher probability. This was actually a nice one. I'm gonna highlight this. This was a good one. The reason I entered with only 2 micros because I thought that we're gonna come here to this void at 14, actually 13.75 to 14.25 to reprice it, which now it will do, I think. And I thought that I'm gonna add one more here, but it's just tanked from there. Honda. Nice. Apex approved my 2. Oh my god, Ijaz, I must give you an applause. Ijaz, congratulations for your Apex payouts. I think you're the man right now in the whole stream. Well deserved. Good job there, Ijaz. Congratulations, really. I think in a few days it should be in your account. Again, one more applause. Congrats, Ijaz. That's my goal. Sorry for the too much applause, guys, but this is a huge moment if someone takes payouts. In my opinion, if you reach payouts from any prop firm, that is something that I'm sorry to say, but 95-98% of prop traders are not able to do, at least not too often. So really nice job. Do not touch your accounts, okay? It's just very important. Do not touch those accounts at Apex. Just, you know, don't do anything. Okay. My first 500 payout from TFT, small amount. When did you get it? Nice one. 500 is awesome. My first payout from TOPSTEP was, I don't even know. I think it was $800, and I thought the world is mine. You know. When I received my $800 from TOPSTEP, I thought that I'm Gordon Gekko or I'm the best trader in the world or something, you know. The feeling lasted for at least a few hours, and the other day all hell break loose, but yeah, it felt good. Camille. Hey Camille, so are you saying that you received it right now? Because if yes, anyway, you're gonna deserve an applause as well. I love your humility, Tom. Oh, thank you. Let's all get payouts. Well, this week I won't be able to do it. Yes, I'm just doing that. My soundboard was, I had to restart it. Camille, this is for you. So I'm calculating that with my current funded accounts, I should be reaching a payout with micros, not this month. That would be maybe, but most likely by the end of June. So because of the setbacks that I had, the time is, you know, slipping again, and I should be able to take payouts by the end of June. I hope. And that's it. Yeah, you first ever. No matter. You still deserve an applause, Camille, because you're nice. Wink. Then making 10% and getting a payout. I was like 90%, can't do it. And then somehow you did. Nice. I've lost funded accounts by taking payouts too early. I did that too with TOPSTEP. So I took, I still have one. I had 3 funded accounts with TOPSTEP. I lost 2 of them. And the first I lost because I took the payout and then I started to trade. I continued to trade a little bit more aggressively. And then I lost it. So that's how I continued. But I made boom boom this weekend. Do I get an applause for that achievement? You know what? You get. That's an achievement. Oh my god, these fighter jets are flying low again. And there's a... I think there was some kind of a carrier plane or something. I don't know. Is the first payout the hardest to get psychologically? Yes, for me it was. For me it was the... And yes, if you get your first payout or the second payout as well, it will be less stressful to concentrate. I mean, you won't be concentrating on that much. F-35s or F-50, it's Gripens, you know, Gripen. It's from Sweden. It's a Swedish fighter. Gripen. Saab JAS-39 Gripen. These are the ones that are flying here. Yeah. It's already taken out from my account in 24 hours, and I requested the payout. Okay. So if it has been taken out from your account, then I think you should be able to continue to trade because it has been deducted from the account. So it's under processing. So I think you should continue. You can continue to trade. Okay, I'm way over my buffer and ready for payout on 25k and 50k PEX funded accounts, and now trading to get 10 days. Very annoying. You can make it. It's very simple. If you come up with an edge and learn to stick with it, you will trade less stress-free, like a job. Exactly, Naz. Guys, if you have an edge, it's going to be exactly just like Naz said, like a job. Oh man, I have a sour throat. I don't know what the hell. I have to get another tea. I'll be right back in 2 minutes. I use the bathroom too. Push the like button, guys. Subscribe. I'll be right back. And fill out the giveaway if you haven't already. I'll be right back in 2 minutes. All right. Demon just subscribed. Hey, thank you for joining the stream. Or the channel, sorry. Awesome. All right. No, I'm no more stressed not to go below payout. Yeah. You're more stressed? Sorry. Don't worry, you're not gonna go below. You just take one micro trade. That's how simple. Okay. What advice for me do you have on this situation I have? I've been paper trading for a year and I've been profitable for a while now. Only issue I have now is lack of funds to fund my account. What advice? Moses, I would say if you have $33, which is not a huge money, but maybe for someone it is. If you have $33 or 20 something dollars, start an evaluation account with one of these cheap prop firms. You don't even have to use my codes. I'm not saying about that, but with the discount price, $30, $33, you can start an evaluation account, because the evaluation account will put a little bit of extra, I'm not saying pressure, but you know, an extra feel for the game, you know. I would definitely jump into an evaluation account if I were you. Definitely, because that's why prop firms are awesome. If you don't have the funds, then you know, prove it that you can trade, and it's cheap now. We are in a very good time, by the way. We should be grateful that we are living in a time where it's so simple to trade. We have all the tools, the internet, the computers, the software, the data, the education, the community. We have everything. We are spoon-fed, actually. So yeah, jump into an evaluation if you can afford. Yeah, Apex these 10 days. Trader, is good to build your account buffer before you request. Yeah, that's what I want to do too. It's going to be fun. Going to be. Yeah, exactly, Naz. Now mine has been on profit target on 50 days, 40% rule. Okay. Window of a lifetime. Yeah, 100 lot. And if it gets much lower again, I will request a payout. Okay. 2024, year of the dragon tap in. Exactly. Buffer is good. Like right now, I'm paper trading and I'm up 3K on dollar yen. Nice. So if you're trading currencies, with futures, you can trade the Japanese yen futures if you want to. But I'm just saying, choose any prop firm. Just go with a cheap prop firm or a cheap version, and try to do an evaluation or challenge account with any of it. It doesn't have to be futures. It can be a forex prop firm too. That's what I would do. I mean, trading on a demo is great to get familiar with the entry model, what you're using, and how to enter and how to exit. But put a little bit extra risk on the table and start an eval or challenge or whatever. It can be a forex prop firm too. Okay, I like what I see for now. On the 30-second chart. All right. Place the limit order. But it goes up. Yeah. Yeah, I'm 100 lot. I'm also grateful that you're living in this era. I'm living in this, and you guys, everyone. I mean, this is such a good opportunity to embrace these skills and print your own money with trading. I mean, it's definitely one of the best times. All right, I don't like this entry here. What is Apex trading? Apex, I mean, Apex Trader as a prop firm is a futures trading prop firm, but still you can trade currency futures, for example, pound, yen, euro. You know. Yeah, fill out the giveaway form. Yeah, exactly. Moses, fill out the giveaway. We're gonna do every week a new one. If you don't win, come back next week too, or every stream, just be here, and maybe you'll be lucky. Yeah, I'm reading the payout policy on a trader funding. Yeah, plus 100 for requests. Similar to Apex. Yeah. Tom, did you get funded in TOPSTEP trading only micros? Yes. I was trading micros on a 50K account. I was trading 5 micros, 4 micros, and I got funded, yes. Yeah. I still have 1 funded account, actually 2 from TOPSTEP. But I'm trading only 1 actively. I have like $1,200 on it. Okay, so TOPSTEP official launch is coming. Yeah, huge announcement. So that should be TOPSTEP X. It's a new platform, which is great. It's their own platform. Oops, sorry. What is happening here on the Nasdaq? Are we gonna see a move higher? The construction is pretty much going on at my neighbor. That's what you can hear in the background. They're building a house. I don't like this here. I think I'm deleting my entry. Okay. It's in the pinned message up there, Moses. It says giveaway. Look at the chat up there somewhere. Under my name, it says giveaway. Exclamation marks. There's a link. There's a link there. And you will see this website, which is not loading in right now. It should be loading in. There you go. You will see my superb there's the link. And all right. Okay, now we have a possible entry. Should I enter? Should I not? I don't know. Should I? I don't know. I don't like this. I'm not going to. I mean, maybe I'm not. But just so to let you know, guys, this one This one was a nice entry. But I'm not jumping in. I'm unable. But let's paper trade it together. How about that? If you jumped in here, so I would use a stop loss below here, and the 1-to-1 risk to reward at least is here. So there's the paper trade. Actually, let's put it a little bit higher. Okay. Okay. So this is the paper trade that you could be taking, at least with a 1-to-1. What you do after that, it's up to you. No, for longs, we'll wait till it clears 25. Yeah, understandable. Wait for candle close on the level that respects that. Yeah. If not, then no. Yeah, who knows? The thing is that it didn't really go back down immediately. It took some time for it to go down again, to reprice it. We still have this other gap down here. I don't like that. So bum, bum, ba-dum, ba-dum, ba-dum. Look at that. Look at that. Almost feeling the FOMO there. Yeah, it's for futures prop firms. Yeah, Moses. Yeah, it's gonna be one of these prop firms. Actually, it's going to be a cash prize, Moses. It's going to be a cash prize in the value of 50 to 60, maybe $70. Depends on which prop firm we go with. So the way that is going to work, like we did before, is that I'm going to send 50 or 60 or whatever dollars to the winner, but it's going to be on PayPal or direct debit card transfer, not credit, debit card, or international bank wire. I'm not doing crypto. So these are the versions I can do. Crypto is extremely expensive to send this amount. If I would be sending thousands of dollars, that would be different. So you don't have to buy an account. If you want to buy a nice meal or some drinks, or take your girlfriend out or whatever, you can do whatever you want. I'm not saying you have to buy an evaluation account. You do what you want. Okay? But it's going to be in that area, in that value. I won already and signed up last week first already. Tom, will you be paying me through PayPal? You won? Come on, Naz. When did you win? They didn't do the pick. The pick is going to be tomorrow or Wednesday in the London session. Oh my God, look at that. The paper trade could have worked out. Now it's the second time I feel the FOMO. One FOMO was here. One. And this is the second one. But actually, overall, my entries were kind of okay. I'm actually very satisfied with my entries this morning. I must say that, despite the fact that there was no London Open, the way we talked about this and the possible targets and the way where the market went, I'm pretty much satisfied with the results. I mean, the analysis part at least. You have to sign up again. I mean, I use the same application and the same kind of form. It's updated a little bit with more stuff to do, but when we do the pick, and this week I'm going to show it to you. I mean, when we do the pick, I'm erasing all the participants and I'm restarting the form. That's what happens. So every week you have to apply once more. So that's how I know many of you guys might have subscribed already before next week, but I'm deleting everything and restarting the pick. Maybe there's another solution to do this properly, but I mean, there has to be, but that's how we do it. So the only effort I require from you guys to participate in the giveaway is just to fill out the form again. That's how simple. At TOPSTEP TV, they do the same thing like when they do the fire drill. You have to fill out the form to be a winner. And we're going to do it live. I'm going to show you the list on the stream without the emails because of privacy. I'm going to show you the list of names, and we're going to use the application. It has a built-in function that is going to pick the winner. All right. M5 is crazy. Hello, Viox. Hey there. Very interesting formation here. That's for sure. You know what? Since I'm listening to the Starship Enterprise background ambient music, I can focus. It's not even music, ambient sound. I can focus much more on the charts. Four-hour candle still has no lower wick. Oh yeah, there were some people here. Yeah, I think once we broke the 100, we had 106 viewers a few weeks ago. That was really awesome. That was nice, and I'm very happy that you guys are here. Also, please push the like if you haven't already. Also, if you would like to support the stream, please use my links and codes. That helps out the stream very much. Guys, they are really working hard in the background. Your account, 50,000. Well, mine, I have another account. Actually, I can show you. I'm starting again trading this week. Nice. Wish you all the good luck, Viox. All the good luck. Mihail's got nice long and reverted to shorts now. You get it. Did you get some payout? No, not yet. I just wrote down a little bit of a text there in the community tab. You can read all about it. I was a little bit frustrated that no payout yet. Moses, thank you so much for being here. Have a good rest, and thanks for being here on the stream. Yeah, good luck to you guys. So this is a evaluation account. This here is a BULENOX account. I'm only up $445. See you all. If you're not here on the giveaway, don't worry. If you win, I will send you the email, and it's going to be recorded on live stream, so don't worry about it. So this is a BULENOX account, but it's still a long way to go. This is my another BULENOX account, which you see it's still, I didn't trade it on it yet, so nothing. I have an Apex account. It's a 50k Apex funded account. No trades on it yet. And another, hold on, Yeah, this is a funded account as well. Only $68 on this funded account. So, and this is the TOPSTEP account. I have $1,293 on this TOPSTEP account, funded account. So I still have more, but and I have an Apex account. This is an evaluation account. I'm getting closer. I have a My Funded Futures evaluation account here, so I'm trying to pull these up. But yeah. Push it. It's pushing, guys. It's pushing. NQ new highs. There you go. And now I feel a little bit of FOMO again by not entering. It could have been a nice trade. Taking profit here. Yeah, it's tight. It's tight. We're just waiting. What is up there above that? Well, we have some new target. Well, no new targets really. That's why I said we should be going to that order block. Looking pretty bullish. What if it wants to take out the Sunday high, which is only at 33 points away? It's not impossible, but maybe we will see that move in the New York session. All right. All the ripping and running for door dash and still end up with nothing or break even. Yeah. Actually, I could have made a nice profit on this one, but unfortunately, I was scared to jump in. Well, Gary, well, I'm not particular. I never really traded Asia session, so I cannot say I don't like it. But all I can say is that I'm glad for now that I'm not trading it. Maybe I will in the future, but it's not really my type of trading. I really have to go down to a very low time frame to catch some moves. But yeah, where's the money? Loper, where's the money? The money bag. The money bag is, I'm gonna show you where it is. It's up there at 91. I'm gonna put it there. I'm gonna put it there. There's the money bag. It's up there, above 91, in the order block. That's where the money is. That's where it is. Up there. The world above. Are blondes better, really? What? Why? Why is saying are blondes better? Out of long. Plus 270. Nice one now. Brunette is for you. So set my take profit at 90. Well, to go safe with the low hanging fruit, go with 83, because that's where the wick is for the order block. So go with 83 is the safe area. So go all in, long everything, risk everything, full margin, all contracts. Go long, take profit 83 and close the computer and go for a walk. And come back at the PM session of New York. You should be in profit. Don't quote me. Actually, you know what? You can quote me on that. Roger. All right. 80 next, 40 next target. Yeah. 40. Yeah. Good congestion area. Equal highs up there on the 1 minute. Yeah, 40 is good. 39, I would go with 39 maybe, but choppy noisy resistance. Yeah, guys, I think that's it for me this morning. I'm gonna be coming back in the New York session, so thank you so much, guys, for being here on the stream. Push the like, subscribe to the giveaway, and if you would like to support, use the codes and the links. I would appreciate it greatly. And that's it, guys. It's a little bit choppy from here on out. Kill zone is ending anyways, so Thomas is gonna kick himself into 25 because he didn't put at least 50 in crypto. All right, Zabak, you know what, we're gonna talk about that. Anyway, guys, again, thank you for being here. Have a great morning, evening. I'll be back in New York session. All right, back in New York. Okay, cheers everyone, and thanks for watching.